Good morning XRP holders. So what's going on today? Video is very special for all XRP coin holder because remember there in last 3 days XRP price will pumps up 1.37%. The price is increasing now, so that's really nice my friend to see now. And definitely the price is more increasing, but this time as you can see here the resistance line is clearly show you my friend to price is increasing now. So let's get this coin, but kindly if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother's power prediction, we will need my friends to check out the last 7 days chart. So this time as you can see here my friend, I will my friend open already the last 7 days chart, and here as you can see here these lines show you complete. You can see here the resistance line they will hit now this time. I think very largely it's compare my friend, if we compare this lost and my friend profit. So absolutely my friend, I think profit is priority from loss number, so that's mean to the price is increased. Absolutely, you can see here every coin will moving in this circulation my brother, you can see here. So I think my friend this is short fails, and absolutely they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I will notify you to please in upcoming time the price will pumping up, kindly you will need to hold now. And I hope if you are hold, so they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching XRP holders, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.